me cuffing stuff. Oh my goodness. We got another good one for you today. We're doing the ultimate barbecue chicken sandwich. You won't beat this one. No way. Hey, stick around. We're gonna show you how to make it. And hang tight. What I've got here, these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I just like chicken thighs. I like them for their taste, ease to cook. Thighs are so much more forgiving than breasts. If you don't watch it, breasts will end up dry. And to me, they just don't have the flavor that the thighs do. I am a thigh man. All right. I'm going to clean these up just like this. There's a little extra fat and whatnot. I'm not going to do too much to them, but I do want to get this off and clean them up a little bit. When I do, I'll bring you back. So let's start the seasoning. I'm going to start, of course, this is Uncle Steve's Bird Shake. This is good stuff. I use this on chicken a lot. And I'm gonna season these well. Get it inside, outside, both sides. All right, top side, just for a little flavor, I'm gonna use just a little bit of Gator Shake to go on top of this. You know, Gator Shake is my favorite. It's Cuffing Stuff approved. Ta-da. Okay, all right, I'm gonna let this hang out for just a few minutes while the pit comes up to temperature, and I'll bring you right back. Well, next, let's cut up our sausages here. Now, I want pieces about this long. So we're gonna take and cut them like that. All right, now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna split them, not all the way through, just enough to butterfly them and open them up. Just like this right here. Let's just open them up. I'm going to take them and flip them over like this. And what are we going to put for seasoning? Again, Uncle Steve Shake's going on this. This is SPG. That's all I'm going to put. I want to get this sausage flavor and utilize it. I don't want to add anything extra. SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. That will enhance this just a little bit. All right. Now, we're gonna put the sausage right in with the chicken, cook it all at the same time. So when I put it on, that's when I'll bring you back. Hope you can see right here, I've got my chicken laid out on the top rack on the pellet smoker. I've got my sausage laid out here beside it. We're gonna get some good smoke on this. I'm gonna go to about 155, maybe 160 on the chicken, and we won't be through cooking, but that's when we're gonna bring you back. These are just about at our temperature. They're pretty close to 160. I've got my barbecue sauce heated up. I'm gonna put it right there, and I'm gonna take one at a time, and let me show you how I'm gonna do this. Each one of these I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna dip down in this barbecue sauce and let it cover up. I'm gonna put it right back up here. Can't get any easier than that. Look at that sausage. Give it a little barbecue bath while we're at it. All right. We're gonna close it back up, and we're gonna let this go 15-20 minutes. I want all that barbecue sauce on the chicken and the sausage to set, and when it does, that's when I'll bring you back. Let's take these off. Look at the barbecue sauce is set on these chicken thighs. My goodness, aren't those pretty? Let's get them all out of here. There's the thighs. And my sausages. All right. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let's take it to the table. It's time to make these sandwiches. Let's start building these sandwiches. This is basically just a steak roll. And now you build this sandwich any way you want, with whatever condiment you want on your sandwich. You just go right ahead. All right, we're gonna start with some Duke's mayonnaise. If you're from the South, you pretty much know it's gotta be Duke's. All right. I got several more to build, but I'm gonna build you one first. All right, we've got pickles. Again, whatever kind of pickle floats your boat, that's what you use. Dill pickles, bread and butter, whatever. All right, onions. Now, I've cut these into rings, and I'm just gonna put some rings of onion down on this. All right, take this one, put him right here, and then another one. You believe that? We're gonna put 2 on here. On top of that, we're gonna put a piece of sausage. I told you, this is the ultimate chicken sandwich. BBQ chicken sandwich. All right, I'm gonna put the top on right here. Let's push it down so it stays together a little bit, and I'm gonna cut it right here in the middle, right through. Now, look at that. There's only one thing to do here, and that's try this. Sausage, chicken. Oh, it's good and tender with that sausage flavor. That Uncle Steve's with that barbecue sauce, bite of onion and pickle. Woo! Oh my goodness. I don't know what to tell you. We're gonna chow down tonight. Hey, listen. Thanks for sticking around and seeing how these turn out. You need to make this one. It's so easy. Doesn't take a whole lot of time to do. And it turns out also delicious. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side? Subscribe. I'd sure appreciate it. I'll have another video just for you, nobody else, right here. Hit that like button, share it. None of that'll cost you a dime. Hey, until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.